You okay?
Got one on, folks. It's not a very big one though. She's not bad.
Not too bad.
And we'll be back here in a few.